जय श्री राम दोस्तों। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं 21 तारीख तक कल तक 7 बजे तक आरआरबी पीओ आरआरबी क्लर्क का मॉक चल रहा है जो कि ऑली बोर्ड पे चल रहा है। ये शायद नया स्टार्ट हुआ है क्योंकि मंडे को पहले मॉक नहीं होता था, मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं होता था। ये शायद नया स्टार्ट हुआ है तो आप लोग भी दीजिएगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये आरआरबी क्लर्क का प्री का मॉक चला है ये लोग। और वेडनेसडे को शायद पीओ का मॉक होता है। शायद क्लर्क भी चला दिया हो क्योंकि ज्यादा दूर अब एग्जाम है नहीं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं कितना आता है। एक तो ये लोग का ऐड, वाह वाह, ऐड खत्म ही नहीं होता है। क्या मिलता है ये लोग को ऐड दिखा के। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं कितना आता है इसमें। Some switch are valid, some switch are valid, no pocket are valid, no pocket is valid. All valid can never be switched. All some switches are valid, all valid can never be switched. All valid can never be switched. गलत। All pocket can never be switched. All pocket can never be switched. Neither no. Some ATM are desk. Some ATM are desk. All desks are pig. All desks are pig. Some desks are ATM. Some desks are ATM. ठीक है. Some pig are desks. Some pig are desk. Both. M is wife of T. M is wife of T. K is wife of B. B who is father of G. G is brother of T. G is brother of T. B who is father of G. B who is father of G. K is wife of B. G is brother of T. How is M related to B? M related to B, daughter-in-law. Seven students in a class scored different marks in a test. H scored more than B. H scored more than V. B scored more than H. B scored more than H but less than D. N scored less than V. N scored less than V but more than S. P scored less than H but more than V. How many people scored more than P? One, two, three. There are six members in a family and either both or none of the parents are alive. R is the only daughter of M. R is the only daughter of M. R is the only daughter of M. D is only brother of K. D is only brother of K. M is married to O. O is grandfather of E. O is grandfather of E. K is father of E. How is D related to R? Brother. In a given, there are four letter based. If the if the letter of each word are arranged in an English alphabetical order from left to right, then how many word will remain same? ये नहीं, B O X एक एक. If all the word are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right, which is the If all the words are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right, which is the second letter of the fourth word from the right hand? Fourth word from the right hand. Fourth word from the right hand. Fourth word. Which is the second letter? O. If all the consonants of each word are replaced by the immediate next letter as per the English alphabet, then which of the following word will have more than two vowel after the operation? G H A B C D E F G H I N J K L M T U H I H A T hat C T U N O, more than one. If E is added to the end of the each word, then how many meaningful words? If the first and the third letter of each word are interchanged, then which of the following still be a meaningful word? Antenatal, Xothlleg, leg, more than one of the above. How many letters are there which are immediately preceded as well as followed by a number? Letter immediately preceded and followed by a number. एक, दो, दो. How many ones are there in the how many ones are there in the given string, each of which is immediately succeeded as well as preceded by an alphabet? How many ones are there in a given string, each of which is immediately preceded and succeeded by एक, दो, तीन, तीन. What is the product of all the digits which are immediately preceded by a symbol? Symbol. 8 5 और preceded by a symbol. एक तो 5 है. If all the consonants are dropped in the given string, which of the following is eighth element to the left of? If all the consonants एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, one. Which of the following element is exactly between the 19th element from the left hand and 13th element from the right hand? Exactly between ninth element. चार, चार आठ जी and 13th element from the चार, चार आठ, चार बारह, 13. पाँच और 1 2. अरे क्वेश्चन मार्क जी. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 B. X greater than D. X greater than D. ठीक है. O greater than I. ठीक है. Both. M greater than B. M greater than B. ठीक है. B greater than J. ठीक है. L greater than A. X greater than is equal to P. Neither no. V greater than is equal to D. V greater than is equal to D. S greater than is equal to G. 8 person ABCD are sitting around a circular table facing outside the center. CC is third to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. CC is third to the right of A. CC is third to the right of A. Outside the center, CC is third to the right of A. D sits immediate left of F. 2 person is between C and G. एक तो 2 person is between C and G. B does not sit adjacent to A. D does not sit adjacent to A. T sits immediate left of F. T sits immediate right of F. And fourth to the left of H. D sits immediate right of F. And fourth to the left of H. 1, 2, 3. H. H. एक दो तीन. F. T. एक दो तीन. H. P. और यहाँ पे A, B, C, D, E. Who among the following sits adjacent to E? G, A. Four of them A, F, G, H. A, F, G, H. EC, HD. How many person are sitting between B and G? B and G when counted from the right of G. When counted from the right of G. B and G when counted from the left of G. 1 2 3. G sits exactly between E and D. Who among the following is thought Who among the following is thought to the left of F? Thought to the right of F? 1 2 3. E. 5 banks are on each side of the road which is headed toward west. If each of the odd digit number is increased by 2 and each of the even number is decreased by 1, then after changing how many 7 students participated in an art workshop. The workshop was held on 3 days and mentored by 3 persons. Corey mentored on the immediate day before Grant, who mentored on an immediate. The workshop was held on 3 different days and mentored by 3 persons. Corey Corey mentored Corey mentored on the immediate day before Grant. Grant. Grant, who mentored on the immediate day before Hughes. Each student attended the workshop on only one day. At least 2 persons attended the workshop on each day. K attended after M. K attended after M. K attended after M, but before E. M. K. E. P attended on the day on which Grant was the mentor. P attended on the day on which Grant was the mentor. Z attended on the immediate day before T. Z attended on the immediate day before T. Z attended on the immediate day before T. R attended on the immediate day before K. Which of the following is a student of yoga? ET. Which of the following attended a workshop with E? T. Which of the following student will attend the workshop on the same day as M? R. If two new students G and Joe join the workshop such that G join on the same day as T and O join on the same day as K, then Grant will have how many students? 4. Which of the following 5 are alike in a certain way? ZM, ZM, EP, TK, ZR, RE. 8 person A, B, C, D, E, F, G are living in a 8 different floor building. The floor number 1 to 8 are starting. Ground floor was numbered as first floor numbered as no 2 person. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ground floor is numbered on the first floor, numbered as 2 and so on. No two person live on the same floor. G live on the seventh floor. और ये सेवेंथ है, ये सिक्स्थ है। सेवन सिक्स और ये ग्राउंड फ्लोर, इसको बना दे, इसको काट दे। G leave on a floor number 7. नहीं नहीं नहीं, ठीक ही था। जी जी जी। G lives on floor number 7. The floor are numbered 1 to 8. ठीक है। There are three person living between D and A. D and A के बीच में three person है। E live between B and C. E live between B and C. A does not live on an even number floor. A live on an odd number floor. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया, हम इसको क्या मार्क करें। D does not live on the ground floor. D does not live on the ground floor. तो मेरे को लग रहा है जी यहीं आएगा। D does not live on the ground floor. D does not live on the ground floor. Neither H nor C is immediate neighbor of D. Neither H nor C is immediate neighbor of D. B and C live immediately above, and B and C live immediately above and immediately below the floor. ठीक है। ए, एक दो तीन। डी, और फिर ए, एक दो तीन। डी, बी, बी, ई, सी, ई, सी। ये गलत हो गया। एच यहाँ नहीं है तो एच यहाँ आ जाएगा, और ये तेरा यहाँ आ जाएगा, जो भी बच गया। Among the following live on the topmost floor. उनको लग रहा है एच यहाँ आएगा, जो बच गई एच ही होगा तब। How many person are there between F and D? F and D का बीच में कितना जन है? F कहाँ है? F नहीं होता। Four of them are H6, H6 एक नीचे, E1 एक छोड़ के, D3, F5, B2. If all the persons are rearranged in alphabetical order from bottom to top, the position of how many person excluding A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 3. If the position of E is interchanged with F, E is interchanged with F, then what is the position of E from the top? Third. Mhm. Into 5, into 6, into 7, into 8, into 9, 3, 3, 6, 0, into 9, 0, 54 का 4, 5 हाथ पे, 27, 32 का 2, 3 हाथ में, 27, 30, 32, 40, 19, 42, 42 और 15, 57, 85, 95, into 1, into 3, into 5, और ये तेरा हो गया 143, और 133, into 7, तो into 9 होना चाहिए ना, 9171, 343, तो ये हो जाएगा 415, 514, इंटू टू ऑफ 6 प्लस 8 प्लस 10 प्लस 12 प्लस 14, 57, प्लस का 13, प्लस का 13, प्लस का 15, प्लस का 17, प्लस का 19, प्लस का 21, 121, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 64. Find the ratio of quantity of grapes and apple in 1 liter mixed fruit juice. Find the ratio of quantity of grapes and apple. Grapes and apple. 6:7. Find the average Find the average quantity of orange, pomegranate and apple. Orange 20%, pomegranate 16%, and apple 21%. 36, 6, 7, 4, 5, 57, 91, 91. Find the sum of the quantity of grapes mango, grapes 18, mango 25, 250, 180, 0, 13 का 3 1 हाथ 430. Total quantity of grapes is what percent? Total quantity of grapes 18% is what percent of the total quantity of mango and orange? Mango and orange. 45, 40%. Find the difference between the total quantity of mango and orange together. Mango and orange together, 45%. The total quantity of pomegranate and apple together, 16, 37. A milkman bought 60 liters of milk at a rate of itna. He added 20 liters of water and also sold the milk at 20%. 918 into 8, 64 का 4, 6 हाथ पे 840, 60%. A started a business with an initial investment of A started a business with an initial investment of 2800 for 7 months and B invested for remaining 5 months. If the profit received by A and B investment for 5 months, if the profit received by A and B is 4 is to 5, is 4 is to 5, 7, 4900. Population of male and female in thousand. What is the total number of male in city A and D together? Male in city A and D together. 1500, 15, 12, 27. What is the sex ratio of city? The sex ratio of city is sex ratio is equal to number of female per thousand male. 1200 by 1500, 800. What is the total number of male and female living in city C? 12, 12, 14, 26. What is the average number of female residing in four cities? 12, 22, 22, 24, 34, 34 और 34 और 8, 42 बाई 3, 1, 4. ओह, 42 बाई 4, 10.5. If 8 lakh family in city B are literate, if 8 lakh family in city B 10 लाख, 12 लाख, 22 लाख, 22 लाख में 8 लाख, then what is the female? ओह, 8 लाख. Age of Rahul is 6 year. Age of Rahul after 6 year from the present age will be double the age of Smith before 3 year from the present age. If the ratio of present age of Rahul and Smith is 4x plus 6 by 3x minus 3 is equal to 2 by 1 equal to 4x plus 6 is equal to 6x plus 6. x का वैल्यू 3 है 5. What will be the average age after 7? P is 30 kilometer ahead of Q. After dead hour, P is कितना kilometer behind? Meena and Sakina, Meena and Meena and Sheena take 20 day and 30 day respectively to complete the work. If Meena work with double efficiency, 60. 3, 2. If Meena work with double efficiency and Sheema work half its efficiency, Meena work 6 efficiency and Sheena work half its efficiency, 60 by 7 days. Minus minus plus minus 18 3 10 5 y greater than minus minus plus minus 10 5 6 5 y greater than is equal to plus 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 4 3 5 4 y greater than is equal to the difference between 3/4 of a number and 1/10 of a number. 3/4 minus 1/10 is equal to 2.5. 20 5 बार में 15x minus 2x is equal to 50. 13x 3/5 4 12 और 10 बार में ही तो आ जाएगा तो x 2 6 25 5 3 3 minus 49 3 3 minus 49 माइनस का 16 इज इक्वल टू 20 माइनस 6 का स्क्वायर 8 + 17, 25/20। 729, 343, 6, 8, 3 + 34, 420/12, 35। 816/16, 51 - 49 दो। 978, और इधर 2, 6, 3, 2, 6, 3, 5, 1, 7/5, 1, 4, 3। ये कितना है? 10.6 minus 26.6/19 × 20। ये हो जाएगा तेरा 14, 28। 3, 4/5 इंटू 3 हो जाएगा 15, 19/5 इंटू 5/19। तो ये हो जाएगा तेरा 8 + 4, 5। 484, 216, 8, 6, 2, 268 + 101, 9, 6, 3, 369 -20, 7 का। 37, 74, 150 + 4x = 180। 30/4, 7.5, 102 + 103 + 505, 10 का 0, 1, 710। 3 + 3, 2, 4, 24, 300। 25% of 1/4 into 1,225/49 x का स्क्वायर बाई 4। 35/7, 5। स्क्वायर 216 क्यूब 1 61, 68, 32, 48। ये तेरा 17 प्लस। अरे यार, मैथ पूरा बन जाता बे। दो तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन छूट गया। रीजनिंग में वो पजल में थोड़ा टाइम लग गया, नहीं तो। और 70 तो क्रॉस हो ही जाता। ठीक। वो पजल थोड़ा फंसा दिया। चलिए कोई बात नहीं, होते रहता है, थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे। फिर भी 66.75 बना है। 68 बना, 68 बनाए थे, 67 राइट हुआ है, एक गलत हो गया है। और टोटल मार्क्स आया 66.75। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में और देखते हैं कितना आता है। चलिए बाय। एक रीजनिंग में गलत हुआ है। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में। वो पजल नहीं फंसता तो और ज्यादा आ जाता है यार। वो पजल में ज्यादा टाइम बर्बाद कर दिया हम। कोई बात नहीं फिर भी। चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में, बाय।